Hey, this is Mr. Masonette, and what we're going to do in this video is find the volume of a right triangular prism and explore its relationship to a rectangular prism. A right triangular prism has two congruent triangular bases, and since the base is a right triangle, its base and height are the two legs that form the right triangle. To find the volume of any prism, we use the formula V equals B times H, where capital B is the area of the base and H is the height of the prism. For this triangular prism, the base has a length of 9 units and a height of 12. The area of the triangular base is 1/2 times 9 times 12, which equals 54 square units. Now, multiplying by the height of the prism, 18 units, gives us volume equals 54 times 18, which equals 972 cubic units. Now, let's visualize how a right triangular prism relates to a rectangular prism. If we duplicate this triangular prism and join the two together, we form a single rectangular prism. The volume of a rectangular prism is found by multiplying length times width times height. For the corresponding rectangular prism, we multiply 9 times 12 times 18, which equals 1,944 cubic units. Since our original prism is half of this rectangular prism, its volume is 1,944 divided by 2, which equals 972 cubic units. This demonstrates that the volume of a triangular prism is always half the volume of a rectangular prism with the same height and base dimensions. Thus, the general formula for finding the volume of a triangular prism, V equals capital B times H, where capital B is 1/2 the base times the height of the triangular base, multiplied by the height of the prism, comes directly from the volume formula for a rectangular prism.
Hey, I want to say thanks for checking out this video. My channel has over 700 instructional math videos to help you build your math skills and confidence. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a new lesson. I appreciate your support and I hope to see you back soon.